Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time. Either way, I'm super happy you're here. I guess I should be welcoming myself back because I've been gone for a hot minute. We are going to open up our Nailed Aesthetics advent calendar. I know what I'm saying, I swear. So it's 24 dips. I'm going to open each one and show you them, and then we are going to do a quick swatching. I do show you I'm using gel, but I have my gloves on, so don't worry, I'm not exposing myself to any gel. And then cure, and then, but I'm going to cut all that stuff out. This video is actually really short compared to how long it took me, which it took me 2 days to do these. Mostly because I just could not swatch straight through. I needed to take a break. I was exhausted. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm just going to let the music play and let you guys watch if you're interested in seeing how the swatches turn out. There is a lot, including that one, of gorgeous dips in this advent calendar. I hope you guys enjoy. I will be back on Tuesday with a regular video, and hopefully I will be able to keep uploading. It has been a crazy couple weeks, but we are all moved into the building and all of that stuff is done. So I have no reason to get behind again. So enjoy, and I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you in the next one. Just popping in real quick, as you saw, number 3, I don't know what happened. I don't think I pushed record, so I only showed that after it was top coated. I do here in just a second, I think it's on the next one or the one after that, stop showing the top coating, and that's only because I decided to start base coating over the, actually it was that one apparently, after I did the one dip and cured, I did a layer of base coat and then cured and then top coated. So the top coat didn't, it didn't show it in all its glory. So that's cut out. So you'll just see from now on me base coating, dipping in, and then you'll see the nail when it's done being top coated. So hopefully that is okay, because that's kind of the way I did it. But it still shows you all these beautiful colors when they're all done. So I'm going to go now. See you in the next one. Bye. I lied. I just had one more thing to say. I keep thinking of things to say. All of these, there's only two, and it's a red fine glitter and the really, really dark blue glitter, which are coming up here in just a minute. I swatched twice. Everything else is just one dip, and that just because they're sample size, I don't want to waste a whole bunch swatching. I just want them, like, you know, when I look at my swatch sticks to decide what color I'm getting, I want a good idea. But the really fine red glitter and the really fine dark blue glitter really just needed 2 coats. For me, just whatever. But everything else is just one dip. Okay, I'm done now. I swear. Enjoy the rest of the video.